I haven't picked a song for the beginning of the video yet, so let me just say something real fast. Welcome to my channel. It's the Pepsi channel. Okay, so I'm just going to jump right into this video. As y'all can tell by the title, I will be showing y'all how I make my fried chicken. And what you would need is some chicken wings, chicken legs, chicken thighs, you know, whatever type of chicken that you want to make, okay? Today I am using chicken wings. Throughout this video, I will be just dropping little tips on how to make your chicken taste better, make it more crispier, and other things like that. So watch the video all the way through. So the type of oil I use is peanut oil. Peanut oil, okay? And then I also use vegetable oil. That is the only two containers you would need. Okay, so when you use peanut oil, it gives your fried food a softer fry. I don't know how to exactly explain it, but it's not as crispy as if you was using regular vegetable oil. So that's the reason why I do use peanut oil, because I like a soft crispiness to my chicken. This right here is my very own pre-mix of seasoning that I just mixed together because I found it easier for me to mix my seasoning together instead of just, you know, grabbing each season that I need from the cabinet. So it's just much easier for me to mix everything together. Y'all can use y'all own seasoning to fry y'all chicken. Y'all already know I use this Kentucky seasoned flour. Okay, if y'all haven't tried this, go try it. And you already know I also have the gluten-free. So let's get into this video. So the first thing we're going to do is wash the meat off. Here is another tip. Say you have time to make some fried chicken, right? You want to take this chicken, some cold water in a pot. Put the cold water in the pot, season the water, and then put your chicken, put your cleaned chicken into the water and have it sit in your refrigerator for a couple of hours, 4 or 5 hours. And baby, it's gonna make a whole difference. But I'm not doing it that way tonight because I don't have time to do it that way. But that is a way if you really want to put your foot in it. Seasoned water, put it in, set these pieces of chicken in seasoned water, okay? So anyways, I'm about to clean this chicken off and then I'm going to be right back. Okay, so I got my clean chicken right here. I semi-dried it off, but not completely. A lot of people be like, dry your chicken completely off. Yeah, I don't. I already got my oil in the deep fryer already set to 350. And so right now I'm going to season it. Like so. Then I'm going to use my bare hands and mix my chicken up. Y'all, I think it's so funny when people be coming on here talking about, do not use your hands on your food. Honey, this is my food. I'm going to eat it, me and my kids. But anyways, whatever seasoning you want to use on your chicken, you can use it. And just mix it together with your hands, okay? Keep mixing, keep mixing, keep mixing. I'm going to pour a little bit more seasoning on here, just a little bit. And then that's about that. This is how you want your chicken to look. Because you know when you add the flour and then you drop it in the oil, some of the seasoning will rub off. Not rub off, will come off into the oil. Then I'm going to let this sit for about 10 minutes. Just like this. And then I'm going to come right back to you. It's been 10 minutes. I put the flash on so y'all can, you know, see what you're looking at. So I have the bowl of flour right here. And all I'm going to do is just drop the chicken into the bowl. Once again, I use my hands. Like so. Get all up in it. Get all up in that chicken. Then I grab me another piece. Drop it. And y'all, if y'all decide to use this Kentucky seasoning, it's already seasoned flour. So you don't want to over season your chicken. But I love this flour. Haven't let me down. No nothing. Now, do I fold my chicken up? I do. But I don't want to do it today. So all I'm going to do is shake it off. Like so. And place it into the, y'all see that? Shake it and place it into the hold on. Shake it and place it. Place it into the, like so. Like so. Y'all see that? Now drop it. You should already know when chicken is done. It starts floating to the top. And so this is how it's looking, y'all. Y'all see that? Crispy brown chicken wings. Now take it, shake it off, shake, shake, shake. Put it into a napkin, and y'all, you got some crispy, not crispy, but you got some good looking brown chicken, y'all. Okay, so I already floured these pieces of chicken. So right now, all I'm going to do is just repeat the same steps. Is just drop it right into the deep fryer. Now, I do want to give y'all a tip. If y'all like y'all chicken extra crispy, make sure you use egg or mustard before you add the flour. If you want your chicken to be extra crispy, use egg, dip it in the flour, take it out of the flour, dip it into the egg, and then take it out of the egg and put it back into the flour and put it in your oil. It will be extra crispy. But anyways, I will be back once all the pieces of chicken is done, and then I will show y'all the finished look. Okay, y'all, so here is the finished chicken. As y'all can see, it's a lightly coated fried chicken because that's how I like my chicken. Lightly coated with some crunch. Y'all, if y'all try this out, let me know. If you already fry your chicken like this, let me know too. And let me know what type of seasoning y'all put on y'all chicken, because I would really like to try out different seasoning for chicken. And as y'all know, I like it lightly seasoned. But anyways, I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and let me know the next video y'all would like me to make. Peace out until next time.